Hi, everybody. Welcome to My Creative Year 2019. My name is Peg, and I will be one of your, what do you want to call it? Cheerleaders? Instructors, whatever you want to call it. But we have a whole bunch of fun that's going to be happening in My Creative Year 2019. So I hope you come and join us in our Facebook group. This will be all new this year. I joined last year in 2018 with Gina and Cindy and all the other instructors. And um, it's been interesting to see the changes that have come about from what happened last year. Last year, we did a journal, and then this year we're deciding not everything is about the journal. I created this journal. Remember, I created this journal last year. I created dashboards to go into my journal. I created pages in my journal, all kinds of things, So, this is where we were last year. It's going to be different this year. It's going to be challenging, not hard challenging, but introspective challenging, because we're on this journey together and we want to experience art and make it our own art and become the artist that is within us. So I hope your muse is talking to you. I hope that we have some things that will inspire you to create and that you'll join us on this journey. I hope you share within the group, because we all want to see how you have interpreted what the prompts are and what we're doing. And I just look forward to this year. It's exciting for me, and I know it will be a lot of fun for you too. So come and join us, won't you? And I'll see you there. Facebook group, My Creative Year 2019. Thanks, guys. Bye for now.